Hello, welcome back to Crafty Beths. Today I want to share with you my fabric haul organization. Now, I purchased these at some yard sale. Person wanted $2 a piece. I grabbed like 8 of them. These are 3 of them. Now, many of the fabrics that I've been buying on thrift stores or yard sales, I have been folding them like in sections. These are my, sorry about the glare, but they're behind a plastic little door. These are for blankets, baby blankets, or anything to do with baby. Down here I have some fabric that is sewing theme, floral and pinks with matching colors, and these are the other big fabrics that yet I don't know what to do. These are more of my floral fabric. Many of these have been in little collections here and there from thrift shop, Hobby Lobby, yard sales, or Arizona Haul, and that's how I decided to put them and organize them. Believe me, I have so much more, as you can see, that I still haven't organized. I have that over there. And then let me take you over here. I have these bins. This one over here, which it is a disaster. This whole shed is a disaster. I wanted to share with you that when you're making a project, see up above, all the little things that I have that I still haven't done anything with, but they're still there. This is my cutting table right now, and this was a dress that I had there just sitting around. I have turned some of the material into a little tote, and I will show you that tote. This is a kind of like sensory book that I have been making from pieces of fabric that I have collected over time from the thrift stores or the yard sales, or fabric stores. Like this one here was just a little block. I don't have an empty block, but this was a block that it was a bumper, one of those crib bumpers, and I took the crib bumper apart. This is one of the squares. This is more of a yellowy, this one has texture right here, little dots. This one has the edges, maybe kids want to just go ahead and mess with that. This one's nice and silky, there's yarn. And then I want to show you this one. This one's amazing. I like this one, even though this fabric did break one of my needles because it got into a bunch and it got too hard for the needle and it broke. But here they can just go ahead and kind of play with it. That's that one. This one was embroidered with the foam. So this one has like a raised little texture that they can go ahead and touch. Then we have a Froggy applique that I got from Creative Fabrica. This one here has some felt and some embroidery, some soft material like this. Like I said, these blocks are from the bumper. And then I had this material from a robe. I think it was a child's robe or something. And I cut the robe into something, and I had this little piece here. And I decided to embroider a little lamb face. It is so soft. That would be nice. These are the blocks. This one is grapes, but most of all, it's the texture that you can feel here, you know, rubbing your finger. That is a bird out there. I don't know if it's angry at me. This is one of the original blocks. It was kind of like an animal, safari type of animal. I don't know. And this is one of them. And it has embroidery. It has some felt, some soft fabric, you know. This one was the little truck with felt. And then on the yellow soft baby blanket, I think it's like a minky. I decided to cut a piece out of it and do a sun. The middle has soft. And then over here it has your embroidery, so that's a different texture. The banana, which is yellow, and it has the same texture, and the embroidery. So this is for a sensory book. It is for children. So I'm going to put that one together. This will be the inside of the cover, the back cover and the front cover. It's just white. This one's one material. This one, I believe, yeah, this one is the one from the Dollar Tree. You get those rags, those car towels. I cut that piece. And then this one is a piece of, not flannel, felt. No, it's that other fabric. Flannel, felt, and fleece. It is fleece. There we are. And that's basically what I have been up to. It is right now in the shed. I'll show you. 83 degrees. I have the windows open. All three of them. The door is closed, but it is very, very hot in the outside. But so far, I have been able to finish a couple of projects, fold all of the fabric haul, the fabric haul that I've been having from Arizona, from a thrift shop, from the yard sales, from Hobby Lobby. So yeah, it is a mess in here, but I plan to clean it a little later. I just wanted to keep you posted. I apologize for last week not having a video. I do, like when you comment and tell me what video you would like to see. Over here is baby blanket items that I am trying to make a baby blanket. I do a lot of the things for kids, ages 1 to 3. That's the ages that I work with. So it helps me understand, something about them with fabric, and if they can enjoy this and kind of calm down. Sometimes they're a little upset or tired, and maybe this will help them during the time I'm taking care of them. Then I am very glad to do that. I am working on the title pages and the back cover. Still don't know what I'm going to name it, but for today I just wanted to show you all of the fabric. I have organized all the fabric that you saw from the Arizona trip, and now I have the other fabric down there that was basically from a thrift shop. I think these three, this one, and this one was from the thrift shop in somewhere in the beach area. But that is it for now. It's a short video, but comment down below if you'd like to go ahead and see me do something, make something. I am behind on everything, but hoping to get ahead of things. Okay, bye for now.